Kamusta YowFam, I'm Yowawerts, and in this video, we're going to make another Ben 10 creation. A lot of you asked me to make a Benzarro Omnitrix, or also known as the Zombietrix, so let's go ahead and make that. Print the free template and cut out all the pieces. For the base of the watch, which is this piece, we will use cardboard. Gently cut the cardboard halfway to make this piece flexible. Be sure not to put too much pressure to avoid cutting all the way to the back of the cardboard. Glue EVA foam onto this piece to make the watch strap comfortable to wear. This will also make our DIY watch look neat. After that, glue Velcro onto the ends of the watch strap just as shown. These will make it easier for us to wear the DIY Zombietrix. Glue another EVA foam onto the top of the watch strap to cover the cardboard. Make sure you give a few extra inches to the other end of this piece. Cover the cardboard corrugation by sticking these pieces onto both sides of the watch strap. Glue the rest of the pieces onto thin cardboard and cut them out. You can use any type of thin cardboard such as a cereal box, cardstock, the covers of your old notebook, or the material I'm using, which is folder. For these pieces, which are for the buckle, I recommend using thicker cardboard or another material which I'll show you guys later in the video. Glue these two pieces together just as shown. Then, glue the ends of this piece. Before proceeding to the next step, paint these pieces first. I'm mixing silver and purple to achieve this mixture, which I think suits perfect for the Zombietrix. Once the paint dries, glue the alien interface like so. Then, stick this piece onto the watch strap. For these pieces on the Zombietrix, I'm using the same hot glue method to form these shapes. After the hot glue dries, bend the piece just as shown and then paint them. Glue these pieces onto these areas like so. As I mentioned earlier, I recommend you guys use thicker cardboard for the buckle to give it more volume. Of course, you can use any material you want. In my case, I used a 4mm EVA foam and slightly bent it to fit the watch strap. Stick the buckle pieces onto the extension of the watch strap just as shown. Finally, use magnets and stick them onto these areas to make the buckle stick onto the watch strap. So that's how you make your own DIY Zombietrix. I hope you guys like this Omnitrix and the tutorial as well. As you've seen, it's pretty easy to make, so if you're going to create one, let me know in the comment section. Or maybe you could send it to my Instagram account so I can feature it in one of my featured videos, just like these creative people. To these amazing YowFam, thank you so much for sharing with us your creations. I hope to see and feature more people in the next video, so to the rest of the YowFam out there, you guys know what to do. So I think that's it for today, YowFam. Thank you so much for watching. Please keep safe, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!